Maximizing the sale of your home this spring, 5 things that you must do. Enhancing the curb appeal of your home. That means trimming all of the brush, trimming the trees, power washing your driveway and the exterior of your home. Wash those windows as well. Number 2, make those necessary repairs that you know a buyer is going to ask for anyway. The fewer things a buyer finds when they do their home inspection, the better off you will be on your bottom line. Clean and declutter. It's springtime, so let's get your home sparkling clean and declutter all of those rooms. Depersonalize your home so that buyers can visualize themselves living in your home. Number 4, pricing it right. Make sure that you use an agent that is collaborating with an appraiser to make sure that you are listing your home at today's current value based on closed homes in the last 6 months. And number 5, the most important, make sure that you use an agent who is using online paid digital marketing to expose your home to the masses. Contact me today so we can strategize how to get you top dollar for the sale of your home this spring. Carrie Hall with Homes by Carrie and eXp Realty. When you do what you love, people love what you do.